look at that light. Oh my God. So welcome to another beautiful morning here in Switzerland, and I was just packing the car, the cameras on my holiday home, and I just looked at this mountain behind me here, and it's just this beautiful clouds rolling against it, and it's just a beautiful shot. So didn't even leave the house yet, and the first shot of the day is already in the bag. And I actually think there is a second shot here a little bit lower. There's a green field with some clouds rolling over it. I think that's a nice shot also. So I'm gonna take these two shots. First shot of the second day. So yeah, let's hope this day will continue like this. So I wanted to walk back into the house when I saw a beautiful scene, and this is just exactly why I love places like Switzerland. There was a couple of clouds coming over a piece of forest, which gave a really nice shape of trees visible. So I just got the very big 100 to 400 on and zoomed it in almost all the way, and I just got this beautiful scene of trees disappearing into this clouds. I just love photography like this. It's just an enormous landscape, and then just searching for these small details in this enormous landscape. I think this is one of those shots that really gets me excited. So let me show you. This is the shot. So right now I'm in a place called the Breathtaking, and this lake is so beautiful. It's completely blue, green. I don't even know how to call this color, but it's so beautiful and it's so clear. You can see all the fish swimming just throughout the whole lake. I don't see a picture yet. You know, this is one of the most stunning, iconic places, but I can't see the whole picture yet. So I'm just gonna walk around here and see if I can find something of interest. I can hear some waterfalls there or rapids. So hopefully, that's gonna be interesting to shoot. So this is quite a difficult place to photograph actually. You know, it's so beautiful, but what is the shot? You know, if I polarize the water, you can see all this wood in it. But the problem with this wood is it's all pointing in strange directions. So there's not an easy composition here that you immediately think of, that's it. So we're gonna walk to the right here a little bit, and I was trying to catch the water with this enormous mountain against it in the background, but I don't know. Maybe I should just isolate one tree or two trees or something like that, or maybe that bridge. So it's difficult. It's such a small lake actually, but yeah, I'm just gonna walk around it a bit see if I can find something else than what I just shot over here. So right now I've walked around the lake and I'm on the bridge here, but yeah, I don't know, it's difficult. There are a lot of people around and there's this beautiful island right here. But the problem is I can't get the whole island in without all those buildings in the background. So I don't know. It's a beautiful place, but I don't know if it's a good place to photograph. So I'm going to try to shoot this fish and this duck in this green water. Maybe that's a nice thing to shoot. So let's see. So the kids are in their beds. There's about 2 hours left of daylight. And yeah, my wife allowed me for the 3rd time in a row to go out tonight. So she's absolutely fine with it. So we're really happy with that. So I've got a place in mind to go to this evening, and hopefully that will suit out fine. This afternoon I wanted to take some more pictures. We took a car train, drove past the Mont Blanc area. But yeah, the kids were so tired, so we decided to drive on back home and yeah, put them into the holiday home. So right now they're sleeping and I'm heading off for a great location. So yesterday I told you that I don't plan my trips. Well, I did plan this one, so I have to be honest. So this is maybe the most photographed thing in the whole of Switzerland, the most touristic thing, and I just needed to shoot it. But when my friend Moises that I met about a month ago in Amsterdam, he told me about this place, and I did some research, and I saw these beautiful blue sky images with beautiful light on waterfalls, and I thought, how can you shoot this thing just a little bit different? So right now I'm in Lauterbrunnen, yeah, an amazing amazing place, and just look behind me here, waterfalls, churches, this path leading towards the church, so it's so damn awesome. So yeah, really good. So what I did, I just waited the whole week for this day. It's an hour before sunset, maybe half an hour, and conditions are grim. It's raining, it's misty, there are clouds, and yeah, the background there where these great snowed mountains are, they are completely blurred off by the foggy atmosphere, and I just like it. I just like it. So yeah, I'm really happy with this shot. And yeah, let me show you the composition that I have at the moment. So this is the composition. You can see I've put the waterfall on the right side, the church in the center. On the left side there's a waterfall coming down also, and this path is leading towards the church in the background. And I just made sure that this house on the left bottom here was completely visible. And the only thing I'm really bothered about is these white poles here on the right side. Someone put them to mark their territory, or to prevent the photographers from standing in it, but I think it's an easy fix in Photoshop, so I think I'll clone these out. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, this is just an amazing place. So there's still half an hour of daylight left, so I'm gonna see if there's something else to shoot here. I don't know, but this place is just phenomenal. So I did find another great shot here, and I found myself in the weirdest position. Just look at this, I'm just underneath this house. It's raining cats and dogs out here, so I'm just hiding for the rain down here, and I just looked at this waterfall from down here, and there's just an amazing tree underneath this waterfall. So I'm focusing on the lower part of it, and then it looks like the water is falling on this tree, and it just looks amazing. So let me show you on the back of the camera here. So this is the shot that I've composed. You can see this dead tree over here on the left side, and then this waterfall flowing down across the frame. And it's just a tiny piece, but yeah, it's just something different, you know. I haven't seen any picture of this waterfall, so yeah, it's just nice. And what I'm gonna try to do, and I've never did that before, I'm going to try to shoot a vertical panorama. So I'm taking horizontal shots and stitching them together going up, so you have this huge waterfall falling down. So I've never shot a vertical panorama before, so I was thinking to myself, how am I going to solve this problem of keeping the shot steady? So what I did, I put the camera water level, and then I just put one tripod leg to the back here, And what I did, I just took the same shot and then every time opened the tripod, lowered the back one, closed it, took the next shot, and then that way I just kept the camera in exactly the same position. It's just the tripod moving backwards. So I hope this is gonna work. So if it did, then this is the shot. So with this waterfall shot I'm gonna end today's video. So I hope you liked this second day in Switzerland. Yeah, just an amazing trip. This morning some beautiful clouds rolling over the mountain just in front of my home. Going to the Blausee was a little bit of a disappointing thing because of all the tourists. But yeah, taking the car on the train, the kids enjoying it, having a sneak peek at Mont Blanc, and then yeah, going here to Lauterbrunnen for a sunset. Well, actually, I haven't seen the sun this evening, but yeah, I just really liked it. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. There's a button underneath this video, and I hope to see you on the next one. So for now, thanks for watching, and yeah, I hope to see you next Sunday, and for now, bye bye.